This morning of a deer crashing right through a school bus windshield. This happened in Virginia. Look at that. The deer crashed through the window, landing on a sleeping student. He must have been startled, but look at the composure displayed by the bus driver, who safely pulls over, opens the door, and allows the bucking animal to leave on its own. No one was hurt in all this, not even the deer.
Bravo to that bus driver for keeping everybody calm.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Why is Rosie laughing at this?
How are the roads looking, Rosie, my dear?
I just imagine myself as a sleeping child, waking up like that.
Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
I am. I'm gonna be fine. It's been a long week for me.
Yes. Okay.
All right, guys. Let's take a look. Here in Cranston, you can see we have that new road construction layout. It's on Park Ave, both eastbound and westbound, right near Elmwood Ave. You can also see in the Cranston area we have that new road construction layout on Route 37 westbound, right near Natick Ave. And finally, I'm almost done. Right here we go. Roadway. The roadway is reduced to one lane. All right, Christina, just take over. I can't.
It's time for Rosie to go take a sip of coffee and maybe get a nap. Let's check in with our current forecast. All right, let's move on to now. Temperatures today on the cooler side, heading only into the low and middle 40s for highs today.